Hello, dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope everyone will be fine and good. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel, K Decor. We are so excited to have you here with us. Our channel is all about home decoration. We will be sharing tips, tricks, and all the latest news about home decoration. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We are constantly uploading new content and we don't want you to miss a thing. So stay connected with us and watch this video till end. In this video, I have bring you some beautiful, stunning and unique main gate designs for your sweet home. These designs are very beautiful. Share this video with your friends and family members. I hope they will also love these designs. Like this video and subscribe my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what you think. We love hearing from our viewers and we are always open to suggestions for new content. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to watch all my previous videos. So that's the end. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye, viewers. Take good care of yourself and family members. Allah Hafiz.